Hello to you all and welcome to another video. If you're not familiar with me, my name's Nigel. I'm also known as a Lake Erie vlogger. Quite often you'll find me out on Lake Erie, but today I'm not on Lake Erie. I'm in Thorold. Yes, Thorold. I'm at the Welland Canal between locks number 7 and number 6. I'm here to capture a fan favourite. Also a Shipwatcher's favourite and one of my favourites as well. CSL's Frontenac. I just followed her in to lock number 7. I watched her go in. We got a time lapse of that. I also had the drone go over her as well, and now she's just coming out. The gates are just opened of lock number 7, so we'll watch her make her way from lock number 7 down to lock number 6 and maybe catch a little bit more, and I'll tell you a little bit about these locks as well. This is lock number 7 of the Welland Canal, which is located here in Thorold in the Niagara region. Very shortly, the gates will close at the end and the water will fill the chamber, and in will slide Frontenac. Here at lock number 7 on the Welland Canal, the Canadian bulk carrier Frontenac slowly makes her way into position for her downbound journey towards Lake Ontario. Launched in 1968 at Collingwood, Ontario, Frontenac is a self-unloading bulk carrier operated by the Canada Steamship Lines. She measures about 222 meters or 730 feet in length and 23 meters, which is 76 feet in beam. Fully loaded, she can carry over 25,000 tons of cargo, everything from grain and salt to aggregates for construction. Lock 7 is one of the 8 massive locks that connect Lake Erie to Lake Ontario. Here the Frontenac will be lowered about 14 meters, which is 46 feet, before continuing her descent towards Lake Ontario. This careful process has been repeated countless times over her more than 5 decades of service, as a testament to the enduring importance of both the ship and the canal system that keeps the Great Lakes ships moving.
With the lock gates open, Frontenac now eases ahead, one step closer to Lake Ontario. Another journey continues on the Great Lakes, where ships like this remain the workhorses of inland shipping.
Lock 7 is either the first or the last step in a massive staircase of water known as the Niagara Escarpment flight locks, depending on which way you're going. Today, Frontenac is going downbound, heading from Lake Erie to Lake Ontario. Lock number 7 is built part of the current 4th Welland Canal, which opened back in 1932. The lock chamber is 233.5 meters, which is 766 feet long, and she's 24.4 meters, which is 80 feet wide. Big enough for a 225 meter Seaway Max ship. So this is Frontenac, a classic Canadian laker that was built in 1967. For over 5 decades, she's hauled grain, ore, and stone across the Great Lakes with her powerful self-unloading system, which you can see. And today she's heading downbound through the Welland Canal. See, the only problem with this location is the amount of road traffic that goes by. You don't really get to hear the vessel. Up at Lock 7, we did manage to hear. I managed to get the microphone and we got to hear the engines because the traffic is on the other side of the wall. But here, it's quite different. As I was saying earlier on, this really is a fan favorite of many ship watchers, not just the people around the Great Lakes, but from all over the world. One of the other videos I posted of this great ship, I think it's from like 2 years ago, and there's a lot of great comments from people from as far as Europe commenting how good this ship looks. Now every day you get to walk by one of these great ships here on the Welland Canal, and just off the road slightly in a little path. It's not even a path actually, it's just an embankment. And now the fence line is at my level, so I can't really get a clear view unless I put the camera through or over the fence. We have a few like-minded people and ship watchers down here. Just at the pull-in here, you can't really park here, but you can just pull in as long as you don't walk away too far. Even got a sound engineer here. Cool. That microphone's bigger than mine. right, there you have it, CSL Frontenac making its way down, now down to lock number 6, making its all its way down to Lake Ontario. Until the next one, stay safe, see you soon.